This cordless stick vacuum from ZEXAPE is designed to run on existing Dewalt 20-volt batteries, which is convenient if you already use that battery platform in your tools. The powerful brushless motor delivers strong suction with multiple power levels, so it can handle everything from everyday dust on hard floors to deeper debris in carpets. A multi-stage cyclonic system paired with a high-efficiency HEPA filter does a good job trapping fine particles and pet dander while keeping airflow consistent. The motorized floor head includes bright light-emitting diode headlights and a highly flexible neck, making it much easier to see and reach dirt under furniture and along edges. Its 7-in-1 configuration and included attachments let you quickly switch between stick, handheld, and above-floor cleaning for stairs, upholstery, curtains, and car interiors. A simple touchscreen interface on the handle lets you change suction modes and keep an eye on remaining battery power without interrupting your cleaning.